welcome back to AllysiuTV. For today, I'm going to vlog our trip here in Macau and Hong Kong. So yes, touchdown Macau! So I'm with Mark right now. And nauna na yung family ko kahapon kasi may event kami. So we didn't want to cancel it na. So habol na lang. So yeah, for today, andito na kami. Sobrang lamig. As in, balot na ako. So ayan na, maglalabas na siya ng jacket. We're going to spend New Year here with my family and Mark. Pupunta na kami sa hotel, magta-taxi kami, and I hope you enjoy this vlog! Hey, bitch!
Out.
Bakit? We're here! Hey guys, so this is the room. Mamaya, may isa pa kaming room. So, dun ko na lang i-video and itutour kayo sa room namin. Okay. Kasi sobrang kalat. Tingnan nyo kung gano'ng kakalat mga kapatid ko. See? See?
KJR!
Ang salarin. And tingnan natin yung CR. Sobrang kalat din. Look! See? See? Oh, diba? Sobrang kalat. Okay, we're here already and then we're gonna have dinner. So, we are staying in New Orient Landmark Hotel. So, mga papansin tong mga kasama ko. Hi, Pierre! Hi, Pierre! Uy! Na. Bye-bye, Pierre! Bye-bye! Wow! He knows how to say bye-bye na. Good morning! So, it's day 1 here in Macau. We're all set. Naka-makeup na ako, ligo and stuff. So, we're so excited. Mag-hotel hopping kami. Kasi basically, hindi naman masyado marami yung mapupuntahan dito. And then, New Year's Eve party tonight. And then, tomorrow, we're going to Hong Kong. Hoy, bakit ang dami niyong alam? Sumasayaw pa kayo sa likod ko? Oh, ngayon, go dance! Dance! Oh, I still have cough and colds. Kaya, sobrang kinakabahan ako sa weather. Kasi nga, sobrang lamig. So, yeah, I'm so ready for the cold. It's 11 degrees outside. So, meron akong scarf sa loob. And then, this one. And I have 2 more layers. So, let's do this. We're in the bus now on the way to Galaxy Hotel. Field trip! Sobrang laki ng Galaxy Hotel in Macau. So it is this big. Ugly. The aftermath. Hi, Annika. What are you doing? You show them your game. Flappy Bird. Ay! Where are we?
We are at the Galaxy Hotel and Casino.
Oh. Do you like it here?
It's great. Very spacious, beautiful casino.
Hey guys, do you want me to put makeup on Daddy? Let me know. Comment down below. Or do you want Daddy to put makeup on me? So vote now, okay? Para wala na
I
siyang
will
choice.
join the contest, okay?
Anong contest? If they want Daddy to put makeup on me or ako yung mag-makeup kay Daddy.
Okay. So I will join the challenge, okay?
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Fun also.
Yeah.
He is the daddy of Pierre. Oh, so cute.
Yeah.
Pierre, are you a burrito or a cocoon? We are now in Venetian. Hi! Daming tao. Oh my God. So, mag-ikot-ikot lang kami dito to check the lobby and stuff. Kasi nga, ang gaganda ng mga interior. So, ito, mga casino. So, wala lang. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang. Welcome to McKinley! Yeah. There is an Eiffel Tower version here. Welcome to Paris!
Marie Francois Girbeau.
Ano yun?
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
French baker.
French fries. French fries.
Je m'appelle Alistair.
French kiss. Wow! Wild! Awan! Porket pa kinasal na siya, French kiss na daw, oh. Papatingin niya, momol-momol. No. Kami na lang. Kami na lang. Guys, momol-momol. Momol.
Ang sakit ng pako.
What are you doing? What's this dance called? The daddy! Can I see?
One. Okay, pasalubong. Pasalubong, one.
Okay, tutorial.
Mali, talo, mali.
Daddy, gusto rin.
One.
Go! Okay na Yeah, okay na yan. Tama na! Oh my God!
Yoshi, go! Yoshi, go!
So while waiting for dinner, tatry muna namin mag-casino. Wala lang for fun. So yeah. Kaya kami nag-casino for this. Free drinks. For the New Year's Eve dinner, we're gonna spend it here in Le Buffet in Parisian, Macau. So yeah, grabe yung pila. As in, buti nagawa namin ang paraan kahit wala kaming reservation. As in, pabalik-balik kami. Kinukulit talaga namin sila for 15 bucks. So ayun, nagka-table naman kami. So medyo magkahiwalay lang. So yay! And then merong props per table. Super cute. Look, oh. Ayan, may mga hats. May mga torotot and stuff. Guys, hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula.
Nakaka-overwhelmed.
Sobrang dami. Bagra, guys. Yan. Raclette. Time check, it's 11:20. Nag-rush kami papunta dun sa New Year's Eve party. Oh my God, tinan mo. Lahat nagmamadali na kasi baka hindi na kami maka-countdown ng maayos. Okay, so we found the perfect spot! Woo! Dito kami outdoor and then Yan yung tower. And then there's a building. Natamaan yung balls mo? Good morning and Happy New Year! So it's January 1, 2019 and we are going to Hong Kong today. So look at my outfit. O, diba? Ang dami kong time magkulot. As in, mag-check out na, nagmamadali na ako. Ayan na, paalis na kami. So parang wait lang, magkukulot na ako ng mga 5 minutes. So yeah, hindi ko alam kung may mga straight pa dyan. Without Marian, ha? Show your outfit. Okay, girl. Work it. Work it. Okay, so it's actually my first time to ride a ferry. Nakapag-ferry na ako noon, pero yung maliliit lang. And nakapag-cruise na rin ako. Pero ito kasi, as in, we actually have to check in our baggages. So yes, what can you say?
We are enjoying our vacation. Happy New Year to everyone. We'll go to Hong Kong and then to Disneyland.
Yay! Oh my God, guys. First time ko mag-ferry. And pagkapasok ko pa lang, hilong-hilo na ako. As in, parang nasusuka. Oh my God! How to survive this? Pero mga 1 hour or 1.5 hour lang naman yung biyahe. Going to Hong Kong. Pero grabe, as in, parang medyo gumagalaw-galaw na siya. Touchdown, Hong Kong! Okay, so we are in our favorite noodle place. So I can't say the name kasi secret to. It's a family secret. So, i-enjoy nyo na lang sa video. Never nyo malalaman to. Yeah. And this is fishball. Okay. Oh, let's show them. So, ito ang favorite noodle place ni Mommy for over 20 years. Every time bumabalik kami dito sa Hong Kong, laging kakain dapat dito. Mga twice or thrice per trip. So, yeah. Tinake over na namin.
Dali, subuhan nyo agad pag na-serve na yung pagkain dyan, hindi nakakain.
Yum, nam, 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 nam. Girl, let's go! Valerie, let's go! Okay, let's go! Okay! We're in the harbor. So, ito yung clock. And then, this is the skyline of Hong Kong. Actually, sobrang mas chill dito and hindi ganun kalamig as compared to Macau. Oo nga, no? Right? Good morning! So we will have our breakfast here in Macdo. Macdo boy. Sobrang favorite niya Macdo. As in. Ate Joycey, how's your Hong Kong experience?
Answer.
Oh, pinapasagot ka ni Daddy. How's your Hong Kong?
I like it.
I'm wearing Sunny's fluff mat in the shade Major because today is a major day since we're going to Disneyland. Space Mountain! Are you ready? Are you ready, people?
All carry-on items.
Ready for Iron Man! It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. This is so cute. May mga stroller parking. Need this right now. Sobrang lamig pa rin.
I'm running.
So we are currently in the Mystic Manor. Yeah, walang raining. Good morning. It's our last day in Hong Kong. We'll go home in a bit.
Hello.
So, fast breakfast break. Ang sarap ng sausage McMuffin dito. Kasi mas malasa siya. And mas chewy yung bread. And also, look at their iced tea. It's legit tea. We're already in the airport, ready to go home. Home sweet home! So, kakauwi lang namin. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga kalokohan ko with my family. Comment down below what you think and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!